There. This is final. How to determine where to cut here. This is the bodies. There is an excess, you cut like that. As well as the other side there, because it become like that, V shape, not straight. So because no one is perfect, I wasn't able to stitch the very end, so I need to add a stitch there. So I have to add an up stitch. It was short, one stitch. It's already complete stitch. So this one is need to trim like that, coming out extra thread. The other side, it is complete stitch. I don't need to add. So like that. If you attach the arm or sleeve, the armhole into the bodies, you need to match these two, the end of the armhole. Okay, like that. They have to be matched. Then my secret is again like that, so that they will not move. I have to temporarily stitch them together, so it's easy to stitch very fast. It will not move because they need to be balanced, matched together. That is the assurance it will be matched. The line of that, the end of that armhole. Just only that only portion to be temporary stitched like that. The next video I will stitch it from there up to there.